Ang sabi ng Panginoon, everything. In everything, give thanks. Diba? Tapos, sa lahat ng bagay din, do it all for the glory of God. Lahat. Nagsusuklay ka man, naliligo ka man, pumupunta ka man sa CR, kahit na ano, all the functions of our body, all of what we think, lahat ng ating iniisip, all of what we feel, all of our decision making, and of course, the Holy Spirit works in our spirit to direct us in the way that we should go. Kaya nga, Jesus is still around. Nandyan ang ating Panginoon sa Kristo. He never left us. Di natin siya nakikita with our eyes, but He is present. Di ba? Kaya nga, we always want to be in His presence. Every day, every moment, He can be present. Nasa sayo yun. If you're close to Jesus, you want to be with Him all the time, di ba? Ay, ang kaibigan mo, kung po pwede nga lang. Pero alam nyo, higit pa sa kaibigan ng ating Panginoon sa Kristo. 24 hours a day, He's with us. Every moment, bawat hininga natin, when we breathe in, we breathe out, that's the presence of the Lord in us. Life comes from God. Breath, yung hininga, comes from God. Every time you breathe, lagi kang nagbe-breathe in. I breathe in all of the Lord and I release all of me. Ipinapahayag ko, inaalis ko yung sa akin. I want all of the Lord in me. Diba? What a beautiful, beautiful example.